Gmelius helps startups improve their collaboration, scale their communications, and monitor their pipelines without leaving their inbox. You can create shared inboxes to manage group emails like sales at or support at. And your team can use Gmail shared labels to further organize conversations by project or client. Email sharing and full email assignments are done in less than 2 clicks. This makes accountability clear and keeps your team on the same page. Private email notes make it easy to collaborate in a chat-style thread right on the side of each email conversation. And the Gmelius Slack integration lets your team choose their preferred workspace. Connecting Gmail shared labels with your corresponding Slack channels means your team doesn't have to waste time jumping back and forth between platforms. They can monitor all inbox activity without leaving Slack, from email assignments to their private email notes. And Gmelius saves your team time by putting the repetitive tasks on autopilot. They can use shareable features like personalized email templates and smart email sequences that scale your startup's outreach. For example, if a client or investor does not reply to your email in your specified period of time, you can choose the follow-up actions, from moving the email to a project board, adding a shared Gmail label, or just a quick email note. Once your automated sequence is created, you can share them with your team. They can access both sequences and email templates from their Compose window. Once everything is in motion, you can monitor your pipelines with Trello-like project boards. It only takes a few clicks to turn emails into task cards and add them to your team's board. Gmelius gives you full visibility, from agile sprints and investor management to onboarding new team members. Install Gmelius today and scale your startup grind as a team without leaving your inbox.